Relax into comfort. What a beautiful design with this streamlined appearance that's built to last. You'll absolutely love to rest and relax and even take a nap with this smooth Tracy recliner from CHITA, offering a smooth reclining mechanism with the press of a button. And it's super quiet too. Listen. And it rotates 270 degrees. And you can rock a baby to bed too. The backrest is really supportive and very comfortable too. This is one recliner that's perfect for all your needs: the nursery, living room, den, office, reading room, etc., etc. And it's really affordable too, and elegant. We have ours in the living room. You can swivel and enjoy conversations with family and friends too. The whole family will absolutely love it. The leg rest is adjustable. Just stop it where you're most comfortable. And the lumbar pillow offers extra support, and the cushions are really well padded. This faux leather recliner is built for strength and durability. You'll love it. We all love it. It's got a 350-pound weight limit, so my granddaughters and I can sit on it and be happy. We can watch TV, talk, and relax. Oh, and we do love our gadgets, don't we? So you can charge your devices while relaxing with the Type-C and USB charging ports. Setup is quick and easy. It comes in two sections, the base and the backrest, and this is how easy it goes together. No tools are required. Then just plug it in and you're good to go. Oh, and the reviews are outstanding, and you'll enjoy a 1-year warranty too. This recliner comes in several colors, so pick the one that you like the best. All premium materials that are designed to last, and great comfort. Until next time, I'm Frank George. Now back to relaxing.